back to Gourmet Cooking Healthy Food Within Reach. Today we are making one of my favorite meals, avocado toast. And so it's really easy to make. As you can see, all we need is some olive oil, we have some ground pepper here and some salt, as well as some avocados and some bread. And so about one avocado will make one serving of this avocado toast. So to get started, we're gonna want to place our bread into the toaster. And I kind of like it lightly done because then it becomes too hard, especially on this bread. So about like a minute I think is good enough. And especially since this bread is quite fresh, the center is pretty soft. So I kind of like it like that, but just 30 seconds or like 30 seconds to a minute will do. Okay, halfway there. So to get ready, you're gonna want to get yourself a plate for the bread. Okay, so we're gonna stop it here in a minute. Awesome. So here are my 2 slices of toast. These avocados are pretty small, as you can see, so I actually might need 2. And I'll remember to wash them this time. Also get yourself a cutting board and a knife. Okay, so the trick with the avocado is you want to cut it lengthwise, like this way, and that way it's easier to get nicer looking pieces of avocado. So you don't have to actually push that hard. You just need to get past the layer of skin, and then the rest, becomes very easy. Okay, be very careful with the knife. Okay, and that's why we have a cutting board. Nice. So you want to cut all the way around, and then you can kind of like plop it open if you turn sideways. Look at that. Wow. Those are really nice looking pieces of avocado. And then once you've cut all the way around, again, you just like turn it, and then it plops out really nicely. See, here's another one. Okay, so I also saw this really cool trick with the avocado seed to get that out. Like I've seen people like stick the knife in and then like twist that out too. That's not happening with this one actually, so. Oh, and then you can actually use the avocado seed if you like put it on a paper towel and make it wet. You can actually grow some avocados with this. So I think the seeds are always good to keep. I don't know, sticking a knife into the seed doesn't work as well as I thought it would. Sometimes you can like use the knife as like a wedge to get it out. So what you're gonna do now is you're going to take your avocados and then you're going to slice like this, again lengthwise. Just take out anything that doesn't look that nice because it's not gonna taste as good. And then you're not gonna wanna eat healthy foods after that. I like it kind of like a medium size cut, so if you can see maybe more clearly on this one, there's 4 cuts here. So you can see the 4 cuts there. You can even see it on a nicer looking one here. Yeah, see there's 4 cuts. Grab yourself a spoon, because I think this is the best way to get it out after this. And look, it's very clean on the other side now. Maybe I could still get some more out. Yeah. You want to save as much as you can. And you're going to place it straight onto the bread. Awesome. So now you can see the inside's really clean. There's no more avocado left, so this one's done. Now you can take your knife back, and then you're going to want to spread out the avocados so they look nicer on the bread. Okay, so now that the avocado are cut and peeled and onto the bread, all you have to do now is add on the toppings, which is why I really like this recipe or meal, because it's so easy to make. Especially since it's already 5 o'clock. I forgot to have lunch because I was doing my AP exam. So it's a really easy recipe to make because it's really fast. So now I'm just adding on the pepper, add on the sea salt, okay. And now that we're done with the salt and pepper, all you need to add left is the olive oil, which is a drizzle on top. And again, this is to taste too, just like a line down. Too much. Okay. And I'm gonna wash my hands real quick on the towel. Okay, so let's try it. Let me turn here. It looks really nice. I think I should get some videos of this first. So you can see the avocado sandwich here. Look at the seasoning, look at the avocados. That's a nice spread for sure. Okay, so let's try out the avocado toast. Okay, there's a hole in that one, so the avocado is falling through, so I'll try this one here. And again, it's got like a nice toast to it. That was really good. Especially, like, I think the great thing about avocado toast is it's very light, but also I think in a way it's a very sustainable food in that it gives you enough energy for the rest of the day. Like I said, it's already 5, because I didn't have time for lunch, but this is a great meal to have as like a quick before dinner thing, because I was really hungry after that AP exam. But like I said, this is a great meal if you're looking for something healthy, fast to make, very easy to make, and not that many ingredients. That is really delicious, gourmet, and healthy. That's yum in my books. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this meal a big thumbs up. And comment down below what other recipes you'd like me to cook. In the meantime, you can check out my next cooking video as well as the Gourmet Cooking Healthy Foods Within Reach playlist. Thanks for watching!